Lights, camera, stop motion. Travel through time as we unravel the captivating history of stop-motion animation. In the early 1900s, pioneers like Emil Cole and Willis O'Brien brought clay figures and puppets to life, sparking imagination. The roaring 1920s saw artists like Ladislav Starovich and Oskar Fischinger pushing the boundaries, crafting mesmerizing worlds. The 1950s brought a stop-motion revolution with Ray Harryhausen's groundbreaking work in films like The Seventh Voyage of Sinbad. The 1970s saw stop-motion animation enter television with iconic characters like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and Gumby. The 1990s brought the visionary mind of Henry Selick and The Nightmare Before Christmas, showcasing meticulous artistry. In the present day, stop-motion animation blends traditional techniques with modern technology, pushing storytelling boundaries. Want more stop-motion fun? Join us on July 15th at 7 p.m. in Vizcaya's Gardens for a screening of The Kitchen, Miami's first community-made stop-motion film.